Hello student, we discuss about mole concept exercise. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Share my video with your friends and practice makes a man perfect, my child. Do practice, you'll get success. Mole concept, we are discussing volume occupied by one molecule of water. Density is 1 gram per centimeter cubic. Options are given to you. These options you note down. I selected A, 3.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 23, negative 23, 3.0 into 10 to power raised to power negative 23 centimeter cubic. So first of all, step 1, we have to write down molar mass of water. It is 18 gram. How do we find out? You know about it, that 2 gram 1 into 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 gram. Okay, 18 gram of water. So sum of atomic masses with their coefficient we have seen. So 18 gram per mole is the molar mass of water, and it is equivalent to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecule per mole. Okay, so 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 is equivalent to 18 gram. So one molecule is equal to how many grams? So we have to find out mass of water. Okay, so mass of water in this way, 18 divided by Avogadro number, will get mass of water, that is 3 into 10 raised to power negative 23. Okay, and this is in grams. Now use density formula. Density is equal to mass of water by volume of water. So volume occupied is equal to mass of divided by density. So volume occupied of water molecule is equal to mass of water, this, and density of water. Density is given 1 gram per centimeter cube. Mass we have calculated 3 into 10 raised to power negative 23. So it will be the same amount, 3 into 10 raised to power 23 centimeter cubic. And by the way, in MCQ you directly convert this into grams. This is grams, we convert, write down centimeter cubic, because you know that mass upon this volume is equal to mass upon density. Density is 1, so gram cancel, centimeter cubic will go up, and we will get this value. 3 into 10 raised to power negative 23 is the centimeter cubic is the volume occupied by one molecule of water. Clear? Sometimes they are asking only first step, find out the mass of one molecule of water. At that moment it is very easy, that moles of water we have calculated earlier also. 2 atoms of hydrogen here, so 1 into atomic mass, this 2 times, so 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 2 times 1, 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 gram per mole is the molar mass of water. And again 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules, Avogadro number molecules. Okay, we call it Avogadro number, or we also called Na. All of them one and the same